Good morning everybody. Saturday morning, weekend. This is where I will give you all of the videos, the weekly outlook videos. This is your second one. Yesterday you got the Aussie recap. This one is the South African stock market, and then I will still do indices for you, FX pairs, I will do majors and crosses. Please read through the disclaimer and let's look at the charts, the trades that we are in currently, and also the charts that I am looking at. I'm also trying always to put in some educational material to show you how to read a chart, where the trades are. So it's not only analysis. Please don't see this as only analysis. I really am trying to educate and to show you how to read a chart, where the trade setups are, where to put your stop losses, etc. First one, African Rainbow Capital Investment. So before we start, please remember that I am always 99% a stock market bull. I don't sell stocks. I don't look for trading setups to the downside. If I have the confirmation, I will rather trade to the upside because I am permanently long on stocks. Very few times that I go to the short side. Also, what you have to remember, I don't really trade with an Elliott wave principle of SA stocks. It really is difficult. I trade this in the direction of the trend, breakouts. If the price pattern breaks, classical chart methods, that's how I trade SA stock market. Right, so first one here, African Rainbow Capital Investment. This is a descending triangle, which is usually a continuation pattern. But please bear in mind, this is not part of a bearish trend anymore. So just want to give you an example of the difference here. If this market came down like this and is breaking into this triangle, and then we're looking for a continuation lower. That is what a descending triangle is doing in a descending market or a declining market, bearish market. But this is the opposite. This is first bullish, and now we're in the triangle, and now I'm looking for a bullish continuation pattern. So above the 3 rand area, I will get involved. I can see 175 here, 375. So that is a 2 rand move. So about 275, I'm looking for 475. Above 3 rand I will enter, I will go for 475. Equal legs, that is what I'm looking for. But no break yet. African Rainbow Capital. Also, if you go down to or higher to a weekly chart, let's look at the candle formation here. This is called a Key Reversal Candlestick. It is where the market breaks the lows, breaks the support, and now the market's opening and closing price is above that support still, and it is a bullish candle. That is what you call a key reversal. Breaks the support, take out all the stop losses, or get everybody bearish and out of reversal. So just be patient, African Rainbow Capital Investments. Right, so I've been on this for a long time. Anglo-American, I'm not going to comment on this. We're just waiting for it to break. I've been doing this for a few weeks now. Alviva, very nice trade set up here. We in this trade long. Where did we buy? We bought it once it broke above that resistance level, which was a support level at 6 rand 59, 6 rand 60. This share or stock is going quite nicely. There is a breakaway gap there. Let's see what the resistance here at 780 does. If it breaks above 785, I'm aiming for that 9 rand 90 area. Nice bullish move there on Alviva. Next one for me, Arrowhead Property Limited. I'm just waiting for it to break. This is a nice bullish flag. There's the green line. But really a strong candle here. Wait for the breakout with strong candles before you enter the trade. And obviously, I also look at equal legs there. So that's 2 rand 20. This is around the 1 rand area. So that's a 1 rand 20 area. So if it breaks above there, let's take this 120 here. So we're going to 240. So above 161, I want to buy, and I want to take profit at 2 rand 40. That is what I'm seeing on this chart. Blue, not really going anywhere. This was an inverted head and shoulders pattern that we bought. I'm still aiming for that 5 rand 22 area. Just coming back a little bit. Are we going to test this resistance support area? We might just get that, and then I believe the market is going to go. So obviously all of these are showing some bullish momentum. I want to stay with it. Capitec, breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, breaking above the resistance. We bought it there. We're in this trade. Nice numbers coming out from Capitec as well. and I'm still aiming for this 1,215, 1,309 area. That is why I want to take profits with Capitec. So you will see the same situation here as the previous chart. That is the bullish move first. Now we're in the symmetrical triangle, and I'm looking for this equal legs to go higher, and then I'm going to get out of this trade. Simple, classical chart methods and price target areas of a triangle. Coronation, same as Anglo, just waiting for it, very much the same trade. This can give us a nice long-term trade if you want to look at where this is coming from. 120 Rand, and we're only at 40 bucks now. So there's a lot of space higher. I see this as a head and shoulders bottom, very sharp head there. This is called a V bottom with a bullish flag. If it starts to break, I will commit to this trade, and I want to buy these shares and keep it as long as I can to see where it will go. Obviously that's 56 Rand, and at 85 Rand will be the first areas that we might just get a pullback. Netcare, very nice high volume here last week. This is a trade setup for the week. You can see the green and red lines there, so nothing on the weekly for me, but the answer is on the daily. Bullish flag, that is the first resistance at 14 Rand 11. High volume here. Stop losses will be at 11.75, and then I want to see if Netcare can move into this 20 Rand, 21 Rand area. So I'm just waiting for it to break. If I get a daily close above that resistance line with a next day opening which is strong, then I will buy this. I will keep you updated on this. Always look at the file each and every day. You get the video once a week, but the charts are updated every day. Tiger Brands is the one for the new week as well. I'm just waiting for a strong close above that resistance at, always support and resistance at, let's make it 200 bucks. Symmetrical triangle breaking. I know that many traders are already in this. They bought this symmetrical triangle once the market broke above this first resistance. I'm not in this trade yet. I'm seeing this rather as a flat top or an ascending triangle like this. If it breaks that horizontal support and resistance, then I will commit. And I will put my stop losses just below that support and resistance area, maybe at this 188 area. 85, and I will see how strong that breakout will be. This is a nice trade. We entered this on Friday. It gave us a buying opportunity. So let's look at this weekly chart with this weekly candle first of all. Look at that. A very nice. Taking out the support level, support and opening closing above that previous week. Very strong, or relatively strong against the previous week. So this is a key reversal candlestick, which is a bullish signal, and we're looking at a descending triangle here, or a descending wedge. And look at this. On Thursday we had this bullish engulfing candle, which is already a bullish signal. There's the 6-day resistance at 4.77, and the opening price here at 4.83. That was the signal, continuation after the bullish engulfing candle, and now we're in this trade. This is also a very important support and resistance level. If we can break above there, let's just get a price on this. If we can get above 5 Rand and 5 cents, I believe 5 Rand 3, 5 Rand 5 cents, I believe this is going to go. And let's see if we can get the 6 Rand 20 area, maybe a bit higher. This is the only one that makes sense according to the wave principle. If I take these lows, for those who want to know, take these lows, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So obviously this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2. I can count 5 waves in there, 3, 4, and 5 as the wave 3. This is an A, B, and a descending wedge in the wave C of the 4th wave, and now the market is breaking high. I'm looking for this to push. If we're lucky, I think we can get to the 7 Rand area. That is where I'm looking for 6 Rand at least. But important thing here, if you take your Fibonacci tool as well, Fibonacci tool also not really with SA stocks, but just to show you how the wave principle on this one works. The descending wedge acting as a continuation pattern in a bullish market here. The breakout is there, and it's bouncing on the 38 and the 50, which is very typical of the 4th wave. So I'm keeping this one. Very nice trade on this. Standard Bank, still in this rectangle, going nowhere. We know how to calculate the take profit areas or the take target areas of this. Obviously, if you take the width, that will be the first target area. And also, if you take the length of this consolidation, usually it breaks out to that level as well. So those are the areas that I'm looking for Standard Bank, but it needs to break before I will commit to that trade. The last one that we are in, Woolies. Still no real continuation there. It's breaking out of this inverted head and shoulders pattern. You can also see this as an ascending triangle. Still aiming for that 41 Rand area. We're at 36 bucks now, so it's about 6 Rand higher. I'm still looking at it. So I'm keeping Woolies as well. So that is your South African stock market, the shares I want to look at for this week, and the 5 that we are in already. You will be updated, guys. Please remember, Tuesday night at 7 o'clock, we will have mentorship as well. Alright, everyone, have a good weekend. Bye.